Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Now the exterior color is a gray, and under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to an automatic transmission. And at the front we have our halogen high-end low-beam headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels. We're wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as our Dodge OEM running boards and our color-matched mirror cabs and door handles. And at the rear, we have our privacy tinted windows, and on top, we have our roof rails. At the rear, we have our LED taillights, Grand Caravan badging, as well as a lift gate. We also have a reverse camera, and we also have our rear window with an embedded defroster and a wiper blade attached. As we get to the interior, there's tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, power windows, power locks, and power adjustable mirrors, as well as a power slide window. And as we look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and at our tilt steering wheel, we have our hands-free voice activation, and to the right, we have our cruise control settings. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror with our cabin light, place for our sunglasses, more cabin lights in the rear. And as we look at our interior, we have a nice leather and cloth seating. The driver can enjoy an adjustable seat with lumbar support. As we look ahead, you'll notice there's 45,263 kilometers on this Dodge Grand Caravan. And as we look at our head unit, we have our Sirius XM connectable touchscreen, which also includes our display for our backup camera, as well as Bluetooth via phone, aux in, as well as radio and other apps. And underneath we have our climate control area, which allows for air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And down below we have our cubby hold with 2 storage compartments and our cup holder. As we get to the second row, you'll notice we have dual captain chairs, which allow for 2 passenger seating. And at the rear of the center console, we can pull it out for our 2 own cup holders and more storage. And as we get to the third row, you'll notice we have 3 passengers in the rear, which are available to sit with dual cup holders on both sides, as well as cubbyhold storage. And that is a total of 7 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.